Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to split payments on Amazon. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to use a gift card along with your credit card, or if you prefer to divide the cost between different payment methods. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can start shopping. Now navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and click on it. Here, type in the product you're looking for. Take your time browsing through the product list that appears and click on the item that catches your eye and meets your needs. Once you've opened the product page, you'll see various options available depending on what you're purchasing. Select your preferred color, size, or any other variations that are offered. This ensures you're getting exactly what you want before proceeding to checkout. Next, look over to the right panel of the product page and click on Buy Now. This button will take you directly to the checkout process, bypassing your shopping cart entirely. It's a quick way to complete your purchase without extra steps. You'll now see a page asking you to verify your shipping address. If the address shown is correct, simply click Continue. If you need to enter a new address, go ahead and fill in the details before moving forward. This step ensures your order arrives at the right location. Here's where the payment splitting comes into play. If you have a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, this is the perfect time to use it. Just enter the code in the designated field, and Amazon will apply that amount toward your total purchase. This reduces the remaining balance that you'll need to cover with another payment method. Now, under the payment method section, select your credit or debit card to pay for the remaining amount. Amazon will automatically calculate how much is left after applying your gift card or promotional code. This makes it seamless to split your payment between two methods. Alternatively, if you want to explore other payment plans, you can choose Pay Over Time with Affirm or other payment plan options that appear on your screen. Keep in mind that these options can vary based on your region, the items you're purchasing, or the total amount. Amazon will show you what's available for your specific order. Finally, review all your payment details and shipping information to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Place Your Order. Your purchase will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. And there you have it. You've successfully split your payment on Amazon using multiple methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.